What up guys, welcome to Slow Mo Lab. Onion, how many times did it make you cry? Just remember all those times in the kitchen you were trying to cut it up and it'll make you cry. Well, today it's a payback time for all of us. I already pre-cut a hole in it and we're gonna put a firecracker in it. We're gonna film this torture at 62,000 frames per second. We really wanna make sure to procrastinate the torture. Let's do it. Well, it's showtime, let's fire it up. Looks like the onion wanted to avoid its fate. Well, this time I'm gonna set it up stationary and then just light it up with that match from the bottom. Let's do it. Take that, onion. Let's check it out in slow motion.